Welcome viewers to another video. In this video we are going to see one of the very nice feature of Windows called Clipboard History. So let's go and see how this works. Go to your Start menu, click on Settings, go to Systems, scroll down a little bit, look for this clipboard, click here. So by default your clipboard history might be turned off. Just switch it on. Also, you can share your clipboard copied data to another devices if they are connected with your Microsoft account. So you can click here Get Started and link your data. So once done, close it. Now open up your any file that you want to copy data. Control C. Again I am copying this data. Control C. Image also. So I have copied 3 items here. Now you can minimize, and to launch your clipboard, window button and button V for pasting. Like I am holding my Windows button and pressing V. Now you can see all the data is now available to my clipboard. Now to paste your copied data from the website that I have just copied, like first I want to paste the image, I can simply press my window and V button. I can select this image first. This is now copied, and now if I want to paste this particular data here, I can do that. Also if I can paste this one also. So like this, in one go I have copied the important data from the website and came here to paste all the data in one go. So I don't have to switch back and forth between the website and this Microsoft Word to copy and paste my data. So this is one of the most important handy tool that you will find it very useful in your day-to-day work life. If you don't want to follow this settings system path, what you can actually do, suppose for example I am going back to my settings under system, then under clipboard. If I turned it off, okay, the another way to turn it on is to just press your window and V button, and here you will find this turn on button. You can simply come here and turn it on. You can copy max 25 objects in this clipboard. So do take care that you don't copy hundreds of data in one go, because that will be overflown from the clipboard area. One time you can copy max to max 25 items, and the 26th item will take place of your first copied data. I hope you will find this clipboard history useful. See you in my next video guys. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you and bye bye.